In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a homepage Squarespace 7.0. Setting the right homepage matters because it's the first thing visitors see when they land on your domain, and it controls what shows at your root URL. I'll walk you through the exact steps in Squarespace 7.0 so you can quickly switch which page appears as your site's front door without changing or deleting any of your existing content. Start by signing into your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to edit. Once you're in the site dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Website to enter the site editor. This is where you manage your content, design, and structure. Next, click Pages. The Pages panel shows everything that appears in your site's navigation, as well as any not linked pages. You can set any standard page or index page as your home page in 7.0, even if it currently lives under not linked. So don't worry if it isn't in your main navigation yet. Find the page you want to make the home page and hover over it. A small gear icon will appear next to the page name. Click that gear to open the page's settings. In the settings window, make sure you're on the general tab. This is where the page title, navigation title, and other core options live. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this tab and click Set as Homepage. This tells Squarespace to serve this page at your domain's root, so visitors who go to your main URL will land here. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to make the change. Click Confirm. Don't worry, your previous homepage isn't deleted, it simply becomes a regular page in your Pages panel. After confirming, click Save in the page settings to apply and close the window. Saving is important here. Without it, the change won't stick. Back in the Pages panel, look for the small home icon. You'll see it move to the page you just selected, which is your visual confirmation that the switch worked. If you open a site preview or visit your domain, you should now see the new homepage front and center. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh your browser. Occasionally, a quick cache refresh is all that's needed. That's it. You've successfully set a new homepage in Squarespace 7.0. Remember, changing the homepage doesn't change the content of the page itself, just where it appears. You can always repeat these steps to switch it again as your site evolves. Thanks for watching and happy building.